Howdy crew, this vlog is about signing all the papers and documents for the welding rig truck. Let's get to it. So here I'm going through all the documents with the representative from Ford that gone through the truck. The only thing that's going to be replaced is that one piece of molding in the back seat area. But other than that, everything for the truck is perfect, and signing all the documents to get it into my possession. Well, actually not my possession, but the corporation's possession, which I own 100% of the corporation. So in a roundabout way, it's going to be my possession. But that's one other thing to consider for the paperwork. There was a ton of paperwork, but there's even more paperwork because it wasn't going into my possession. It was going to the corporation, and I'm the representative as president, CEO of the corporation. I'm not going to name what the name of the corporation is just yet. Going to build a little bit more suspense, but there's even more paperwork for that. And so paying for the truck, the licensing, the tax, and also paying today for the insurance. Out the door, over, not even at, over $100,000, but it was a lot of hard work to get to this point. I'm not doing it to brag. I'm not doing it to boast. I'm here to show y'all that if y'all work hard, you put in the time, you put in the dedication, you put in the grueling hours for not days, not weeks, not months, not a year or two, for years, you work hard, very, very hard, grueling work. It's very slow. It's not fast, not easy, at least not the road I took. I did this for years, and being able to build up all the money for this, be able to pay it and not break a sweat, not have to do loans, not do financing. It's not here to boast. You want to be able to have a welding rig that you don't have to worry about it being repossessed, for someone to be taken away because you couldn't pay a loan back for some reason. You work hard. You take the slow route. It's going to be grueling. You don't stop at 8-hour shifts. You don't stop at 14-hour shifts. You go past that, and you don't do 14-hour shifts for a week or two. You do it for years, and you keep going, and you keep going, and you make that money. You build it up. You build up those reserves to be able to sign these papers and just be able to sign it with a smile. No sweat, no worries. You sign it, you could be out $100,000, and like for me today, out over $100,000, not even worried because of all the hard work going into this. It's not to boast. You want this, you go get it. I've wanted this, I went out and got it. I don't expect this to be handed to me. I'm not one of those people that had money handed me, ever. You work hard. You push, push, push. You keep going. Don't ever expect it to be handed to you. Don't ever expect it to just come nice and easy. You work hard. You just keep going. You see videos of welding rig trucks. Must be nice, right? Go get it. You want it? Work extra hard. Don't stop at 40-hour weeks. Don't stop at 70-hour weeks. Go past that. And some people say, well, you're just boasting. Well, I've done it. I'm not here to boast. I've done those 80-hour weeks. I've done that. Been there, done that. It happens. You got to do it. If you want this, you got to go out and get it. It's not going to be handed to you. It will not be handed to you. Signing all these papers, wonderful feeling. All those years of hard work, sweat, bleeding at all kinds of job sites to get this. It's done. It's been signed. $100,000 today spent. Not a worry, not a sweat. Wonderful feeling. You want this? You want to have this? Go get it. It's not going to be handed to you. I didn't have this handed to me. Go get it. Grab that opportunity. Don't just sit there. You see YouTube videos of guys with their welding rigs. Me getting this welding rig right here. It's not handed to you. You got to go out and get it. It's right there for you. Go out, get those certifications, get that new job. Take those extra classes. Get that extra part-time job on top of your other jobs. Go get it. I've been there. I've done all that. I'm here to say it can be done. I'm not here saying, well, if you're handed money, you can get it. Well, sure, if anyone's handed money, you can go get this. But that wasn't me. I took the long, slow, hard, grueling route. And it can be done. I guarantee you it can be done. Very few people take that chance, though. Very few people take that opportunity. And it's quite sad because very few people can see their own abilities. And very few people will ever see it actually in practice, not even in their goals or dreams. Even less people will see it happen in reality. You want this? You want to be able to sign $100,000 away? You got to go out and get it. Get that certification. Get that extra job. Don't stop at 40 hours. Don't stop at 60. Go to 80. Work that overtime. Work really hard. Work to where you're getting no sleep. I've been there. It happens. But you can do this. It can be done. So I want that out there for y'all. If you want it, you're going to have to go get it. And you can't just sit there. You can't just wait for it to happen. You got to go out and get it. Once you think you've pushed hard enough, push harder. Once you get to that point, push harder than that. It's a wonderful feeling once you get to this point and you can just sign away over $100,000 because you did the work. You did all of it. It wasn't someone else doing it. It wasn't someone else handing you the money. You did every single penny's worth of work. You hustle and grind, hustle in every way you can. No matter how you do it, just get it. Work, work, work. It's a wonderful feeling being able to get this truck, being able to have this corporation, be able to go out, not have a worry in the world to where, what if business is really slow for some reason? What if rain are on sites and everything's money, they can't put beams in the ground? What if there's a recession, people can't afford to have their gates fixed, their fences fixed? And you have that cushion in the corporation. It's a wonderful feeling. You got to work hard for it though. You can't just cross your fingers and wish on luck. It ain't going to happen like that. I'm sorry to burst bubbles, but it ain't going to happen like that. You got to work for it. And you got to go out and get it. And it is very much worth it. There's been plenty of times working this hard, you wonder when it's going to happen, especially in the beginning. Then when you get closer, is it ever going to get here? I've been working all this time. When's it going to get here? And it's here. It is here. Getting the truck, buying the truck, getting the insurance, tax licensing. This involves no tools. All the videos y'all have seen, this is not including money spent on anything outside of the truck, taxes, licensing, fees, and the insurance. Over $100,000. Over $100,000, but it's worth it. Go out and get it. It's right there for you. I guarantee you, if you work hard and you push beyond what you think are your limits, you'll find new limits. Once you push beyond those limits, you'll find even more limits. And once you push past those, you'll find you'll get to the spot. It is out there. I'm not here to make false promises. I'm not here to say if you cross your fingers and wish on luck or just sit around that someone's going to hand you the winning lotto ticket. That's a bunch of malarkey. Sign that check because you worked hard for it. Sign that check, be able to spend oodles amount of money on a welding rig because you worked hard for it. It is so worth it. And if you want it, go get it. I'm encouraging y'all. Some may say, well, you're creating more competition against yourself. Better your lives. If you want this and you think this is better for your life, go get it. If you think just working for a union and not getting a welding rig, go for it. I'm not putting down 9-to-5s. I'm not putting down the guys that don't get their welding rigs. But if you want to better your life in whatever aspect and you want it, go get it. Whether it's a welding rig or it's something completely different. You want to better your life for this or that, go for it. Take that risk. Take that opportunity. Work hard for whatever you want in your life that you want to better it in. You want that better paying welding job? Work for that job to get there. You want a welding rig? Work for that welding rig to get it. It's not going to be handed to you. I can guarantee it. Unless you have rich parents or anything like that, which don't we all wish. But honestly, working hard for this and doing all the hard work, I can't imagine what it'd feel like just being handed the money, because you wouldn't feel the joy, the relief of being able to finally sign that check and pay for everything and feel all that hard work in your hand as you're signing that check. There's no feeling like it to where just being able to hand money that you've been handed. It's not the same. I don't know what it's like being handed money like that, but I know it can't be the same as this. This is a unique feeling of writing that check from hard work, and it can be done. I guarantee it. I've done it. I'm not a special person. I'm not someone that can go without sleep for months. I'm not a person that has Mr. Universe strength. I'm not one of those people. If I can do it, anyone can do it. You don't got to be Mr. Spectacular or Mrs. Spectacular to do this. Male or female, go out, get it. You can do it. If I can do it, y'all can do it. This is nothing that is out of the ordinary. That's not something based on luck. It's not something based off of winning the magic lotto. This has nothing to do with saying, well, that person on YouTube has this special opportunity. Well, maybe they do, but a lot of us don't. And you can look at other welding rigs on YouTube and look at how they built themselves. Some of them may have had money handed to them, but a lot of them, they had to work for it. And you just got to do it. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. If you want to sit around and wait for it, you can wait for it. But I can guarantee if you work hard for it and you sign that check, you buy that welding rig, it's an incredible feeling. I can't explain the feeling of being able to work hard for it and buy it. It's just wonderful. There'll be more content coming up about the welding rig and just the truck itself, tools, equipment. There's going to be plenty more videos. Hope you all enjoy, but if you want this, go get it. Just sitting around doing nothing ain't going to get it for you. Get those certifications. Get that next job. Get that better job next after that. And stair-step it. I've been there. I've done it. It's a grueling process. It's slow. It's not fast. I'm not going to promise fast to anyone. I'm not going to guarantee fast because it's not. At least not the way I did it. Slow and steady wins the race. And slow and steady is what I did. It got me here. It's a wonderful feeling. And I hope you all can do the same. I really do. I hope you all can go for those opportunities. Take that chance. Take that risk. Take that opportunity. And go from one job to the next job that's better. Next job that's better. And then be able to do something like this. If you think that will better your life, go for it. Take that risk. Take that chance. Because no one else is going to take that chance for you. So, again, thank you very, 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 very much to my very best friend. Your support, motivation means absolute world to me. Thank you for being the most amazing, very best friend ever. Truly means the world to me. Thank you so, so much. Hope you all enjoyed. I'll be having more videos coming out very soon. The vlogs will keep coming out of the truck, tools, everything being put together. Hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see y'all in the next video.